It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, May 18th. I'm James Spann. A very warm, very muggy day today with a few scattered showers and storms about. Showers and storms increase late this weekend, and next week temperatures go below average for a nice change. Check out the water vapor satellite view today. Very volatile situation across the southern plains. A deep, cold upper trough over the western states, and big storms beginning to explode in advance of that. This is a visible satellite look at severe storms over parts of southwest Oklahoma, down toward Texas, down around Childress. Those are severe, in some cases producing a tornado at this moment as of 2:58 when I'm talking here. And in Alabama, we have some thunderstorms, nothing like that. The more summer-like storms, they're random and scattered in nature. That's the visible satellite view, and that's the radar. It looks like the radar has the measles. The more numerous ones over the northwestern part of the state, they're moving northeast. And it's your classic hit and miss, splash and dash situation like we see most summer afternoons. And it feels like summer. The cool spots are where the rain has been falling. Haleyville down to 71, Cullman 76. They've had a nice shower. Away from the shower, mostly mid-80s. Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Gadsden 85. And around the nation, boy, it is cold. Back behind that front, under the upper trough, Colorado, Wyoming, big-time snows are falling. Wow. That picture was not from January. That is from this afternoon, May 18th in Colorado. Some of the mountains out there could receive 3 feet of snow. Now, obviously, winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Colorado and Wyoming. In the warm sector, we got flash flood watches for parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and Nebraska. Here's the first tornado watch of the day. This is a PDS watch, a particularly dangerous situation, in effect until 8 o'clock tonight for parts of Oklahoma and Texas. There's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. The rare high risk, Category 5, parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. The broader risk runs from the Rio Grande up into parts of northern New England. And around here, thunder, but no severe weather expected in our state. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk for parts of Oklahoma, Texas, and Kansas. The broad risk runs from the Rio Grande over to the middle Atlantic coast. And on day 3, which is Saturday, there is a marginal severe weather risk west of the state from Texas up to the Great Lakes. And no risk defined beyond this for day 4, which is Sunday, which is good. Rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts about 1 to 2 inches. This is valid through Thursday morning of next week. We're going to have a pretty decent rain event Sunday, another decent rain event Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning of next week. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon at 500 millibars. The trough in the western states slowly moving eastward. Down below that, a surface low is located west of Childress, Texas. And for us, the weather's just not going to change. A soupy air mass, very warm, highs 87 to 90. A few isolated storms, much of the day dry. Same thing Saturday, although we might begin to see a little increase in the number of showers and storms based on the newest model data here. As the air aloft becomes colder, the air becomes more unstable. The high will be in the 80s. Surface low is over Iowa. And Sunday, that surface low is moving up into Canada. And again, for us, we'll see occasional showers and thunderstorms on Sunday with a high only around 80. Some spots could stay in the 70s all day because of clouds and showers. Wind feels relatively weak. Severe weather for now, not expected. Go to Monday. Cooler, drier air begins to drop in here. The sky clears during the day. The high in the upper 70s, a very refreshing day. Then for Tuesday, we start the day dry, but clouds will likely increase during the day, and rain comes back Tuesday night in advance of the next cold front. Don't think we have any severe weather, maybe some thunder. Wednesday, that rain moves out early in the day. Another cool air mass drops in, the high dropping into the low and mid-70s, way below average for this time of the year. Check out the anomalies Wednesday of next week. Temperatures below average all the way from the Rocky Mountain states to the Atlantic coast. And a week from today, Thursday, May 25th, a deep trough over the east, and for us, a very refreshing air mass. We might be close to record lows that morning. This is Thursday of next week, May 25th. And the end of the forecast period, Sunday, May 28th. Heights coming up a little bit. That looks dry, although a front, if this happens to verify, is approaching from the north. Hey, check these numbers out off the GFS. You can see summer-like weather through Saturday, but next week, a different story. The GFS on Thursday of next week showing a high of 71 and a morning low of 45. How about that for late May? That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.